The Chief Executive Officer of the Pacific Games Organizing Committee, Peter Stewart, says as the GOC, they will do their best to ensure all athletes and officials involved in the 2023 Pacific Games are well taken care of.
From the Games Organising Committee's perspective, it's all about what the teams need. We are here to provide an environment for the athletes of the Pacific to be able to compete at their very best.
Stewart also described the sporting facilities built in Honiara as world-class.
At the venues that we have here, the stadia are world-class, equivalent to anything the same size anywhere in the world, so the athletes are very happy about that, and they will obviously have their sport played at international standards, and we have over 500 technical officials who will ensure that occurs.
And just like many other big sporting events, Stewart admitted that there are challenges, but the challenges are good to help them improve.
Because they're the things that you're usually doing for the first time ever in a particular city and to a scale never done before in a city like this. So the way we get feedbacks from the chefs is each morning we have a chef de mission meeting where they come and tell us how things are going, what's working, what isn't working, and how things are progressing from that point of view. But as we would expect, there are hiccups, there are things that we need to improve on, particularly in the areas of transport, and I would say that that's pretty normal for every Games that I've been involved in previously. Transport always takes a little while for all the drivers to get to know where they're going, for all the teams to know how they connect with their buses and how they connect with their drivers.
The GOC is meeting with all chef de missions every morning, and according to the reports received, all teams are excited to be part of the 17th Pacific Games.
And so the teams are sort of excited to be here. They feel welcome. It feels like a Games to them. If you go around our villages, you go around our venues, you've got athletes walking around as you would in any Games, all starting to get excited about their competition. So the reports back from the chefs have been very much along the lines of, we're very happy with how things are all progressing. Yes, there are some things we need to improve on, as happens in every Games, but hopefully by the time we get through the first 1 or 2 days, all of those creases will be ironed out and we'll be delivering the Games the way that we want to.
Isaac Leary, NBC National Sports, Honiara.